preparation for the body lift and motor mount kit, you'll want to start by disconnecting the battery, removing the gas filler neck hardware from the body, lift the vehicle, and lastly, rotate the engine fan where the wide blades of the fan sit at the bottom of the fan shroud.
Starting at the front and then moving to one side, remove the factory body mount hardware. Always leave the center bolt of the opposite side attached for safety.
Now carefully raise the body with the jack to allow just enough clearance to insert the Currie lift pucks on top of the factory rubber bushings. Finish off each mount by installing the new longer hardware supplied in the kit. Repeat the process on the other side, installing the Currie body lift pucks and longer hardware as well as the longer urethane bumper. Please note that there are two body mounts right above the rear end housing that are very hard to see and easy to forget. Remove the factory rubber grille bumper and replace with the longer urethane bumper supplied in the kit. Torque all the new hardware down to spec listed in the instructions. You'll need to reinstall the filler neck tube by first loosening up the clamp that holds the rubber hose around the filler neck and adjust it to the new body lift height. To begin the lifted motor mount install, you'll need to support the front of the engine with a lifting stand or a jack. The next step is to remove the factory motor mount bolts, loosen the transmission transfer case bolts, then you can jack up the engine an inch. Here's a look at the difference between the factory motor mounts and the heavy-duty Currie engine mount that has been engineered to lift up the engine 1 inch.
Finish up by torquing the engine mounts and transmission mount, then reconnect the battery.
To purchase this product or for more information, visit RockJock4x4.com. Also, follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and of course, here on YouTube. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to keep up with all our videos.